Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Ravager from Minecraft. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to add the Pillager on there as well. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Ravager, we are going to begin with the nose. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to just draw a little line that's going to come down like this. Next, I'm going to draw two more lines and a line that goes up, just to form a small rectangle. Next, I'm going to draw two lines that come in, and I'll connect it so it looks like two rectangles sitting next to each other. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to bring it over to here. And then right above here, we're going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come out to here. Then we're going to bring this line up, and we'll stop right about there. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and then two little lines that come over like this, and another line to make a long skinny rectangle. Next, I'm going to make two more lines that come up, and they'll connect right there. Now I'm going to draw a diagonal line that comes down with another line up like this. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go up at an angle like this and then come down here. We're going to make two little lines down and then connect them. And another line down here. Next, over here, we're going to draw a long line that comes down to here. And I'm going to start right here with another line that goes down. And I'm going to connect it right down to here, the big square shape. Now, right here, we're going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down, and then we'll bring it across here for an eye, with a little line across. I'm also going to make a line that goes up, over, and then down for an eyebrow. We'll add another one that goes up and over here. Now, starting up here above the head, we're going to draw a diagonal line that goes down. I'm going to make a line that goes down here at a diagonal, and then a line that goes up at a diagonal. And I'm going to connect it. Then I'll make a line that goes down, and then a line that goes up. And I will connect this for one of the legs. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and then we'll continue it to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and we will connect it right there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes right along the body here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up like a V shape. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'll draw another V shape right here to connect them. And I'll put an upside down V shape right here. Then we're just going to draw a nice long line that goes down. I'm going to draw a diagonal line here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go up and then come up here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then down. And then we'll go up here. Then I'll make a line that goes down and then up. And we'll add a nice long line up here. And we'll also add a line here. Now, up here, I want to draw a little pillager. Now, we're going to start with the top of the head. So I'm going to start right here with a nice square shape. So we're just going to go down, over, up, and then back over for the head. Next, we'll draw a line that goes down. At an angle, it's going to go straight down and then come back here to make it look 3D. We're going to draw a little line that goes over. It's going to go down, over, and then back like this for one of the arms. Then I'll add a little rectangle shape here at the end. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down. And also here, we'll draw a little line that goes down. Then I'll make another small rectangle shape that goes into the body of our Ravager. Right here, I'm going to draw a small square shape. Next, we're going to make 3 little lines at each corner that goes back towards the body. Starting here, I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle shape. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over and then up, and then one that goes down and then over. Then I'm going to redraw this shape. Then I'm going to put a few little lines on each corner, and then I'll connect all the lines so it looks like a little crossbow. We'll add a little line coming down here. We'll add a little rectangle shape on here, the line going down. Now for the face, I'm going to make a rectangle shape here for the nose, and then a little line that goes down and then straight down. Then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape here, and then another one here. Then I'm going to color in 2 spots for the eyes. Then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape on top for the eyebrows. Then for some details, I'll add a couple little lines here for the arms. I'll add a little line down here for the body. Then on our Ravager, I will just add a few little detail lines on here, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So we'll add a few little lines on here. We're just making some little diagonal lines around the top and the bottom of the legs. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Ravager and a Pillager. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.